Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day. It has been a little while since I have been on here, and as you can see from the wherever it's written below or above the video, I have changed the name of this channel to Melinda's Moments. My daughters picked that out for me. Lux First Love just didn't feel, it just didn't feel right anymore. But it has been a while, and this is going to be the strangest spring unboxing right before Easter, the weekend before Easter, that you've ever seen somebody do. I have been wanting a bag like this for a very, very, very long time, and I didn't really specifically know which bag that I wanted, and I realized I'm sitting on my phone. It's in my pocket. And I was looking on Fashion File because this is a bag that is very, very seasonal, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. And I would just type in the materials that I wanted for this bag, and I will put in a picture of the one from Fashion File in a moment and tell you how much I saved versus buying the one on Fashion File. I could only find one, and it's one I've been looking at for over a year. It's nothing I've ever seen in a boutique. It's not a particular design that I ever craved or a brand or anything like that, so I don't feel like I settled. I saw an ad for this and I went onto Coach's website and it wasn't there. So then I went on to Coach's outlet and it was there. And so this is the first, clearly I have not opened this. This is the first time. It just came like 10 minutes ago. And so we're gonna unbox this and bag this together and see what I think of it. And you're gonna be like, why on earth would you buy this? It was like 89 degrees here yesterday. It's a little bit chilly today, but this is a strange bag. As you can see, this is a strange bag to buy in spring, but oh, I've never seen this in person, ever. Let's get it undone here. Let's see what we think of it. Well, they package stuff up really well, as you know. Oh, it is super cute. So it is a suede and shearling bag. I have wanted a suede bag for a very, very long time for fall and winter, and I know it's going to be a long time before I'm going to use this baby, but I got this for $140. So I'm going to insert the picture right now from Fashion File because number is not coming up. It's a Gucci bag and the price is not coming up, but I think I saved like $1,800 by getting the Coach version, which was $140. This one can be worn on your shoulder or crossbody. So let me take all this packaging off, and then I'm not gonna do the fast forward with the Minnie Mouse voice because that drives me crazy. I'm just gonna pause the camera for a moment, have some scissors here. And I brought this out to show you. This is my only other winter fall bag. I do have several for spring, summer, because I feel like we have a lot more warm weather here than we do cold. I mean, we've had many 80-degree days already this year. It's been crazy, and it's still only March. So I didn't want to spend a ton of money on something that might get 3 or 4 wears at most during the winter. And the other thing I liked about this, so you see how the shearling on this one is like really light white, and I haven't had any issues with it. It hasn't gotten dirty, it hasn't discolored, nothing like that. But I thought with this one just being a little bit darker, especially because the shearling does go around the back where it would touch your body if you're wearing it crossbody, and of course touch your tops, I thought it would be a little bit more carefree. So let's take all the wrapping off and I'll show you what it actually looks like. Okay, so I'm seriously impressed. I really am impressed. This is what it looks like. It is so cute. I have a long ways to go before I can wear this. I'm just not gonna wear this in the summer or in 80-degree weather. Oh, this is absolutely adorable. It has shiny gold hardware on it. And then this bag, I believe, is called the HADLEY, and it's on the Coach outlet, as I said, and it was $140. So they have the ad that popped up was in a blue leather, and I was like, oh, that's cute. I'm just gonna see what that is. And when I found it, this one came up, and this one was cheaper than the one that had the leather. The leather version had a fabric interior. This one is pebble leather lined on the inside. The whole interior is leather. Wow, that's really, really nice. And then on the back here, you've got a slit compartment, and then there's a zippered compartment in front of that. This is really roomy. Oh, more tissue and Coach, I don't know, something with a QR code. But yeah, so this one can be shouldered, like I said, or it comes with this extender to make it into a crossbody bag. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what fits in it, and I'm going to do mod shots, and after I try it on with my belongings in it, we're going to snip this tag off, but I want to make sure. But I think this is a keeper. I mean, when, you know, if this was like October, I highly doubt this would have been $140. And for it to be an all leather and shearling bag, and I like that it's a different color. Most bags that I've seen, the suede is kind of more of a light tan, and I like that this one is like a chocolate, and I really, really like the color of the suede, and it's just a really cute, like, oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around and stop chattering. So this is it, shoulder, and for reference, I am 5'6", if that helps. This is a good size bag. It's not too big. It'd be nice if I was showing the bag. It's not too big by any means, and yeah, wow, I'm so impressed. I just joined a gym, and I went to Lululemon and bought all new workout clothes. A pair of workout leggings costs more than this bag does. So let's try this on now, crossbody. So this is crossbody, and there are a ton more adjustments, and on the back side where you connect them as well. But this is what it looks on me, what it looks like on me. I really like it. I think I prefer it as a shoulder bag though, but it is nice to have that option. So now let's see what fits. Okay, so I just brought out all kinds of stuff just to see what would fit in this bag, and I finally got my Louis Vuitton sunglasses made prescription, and I did change them from gradient to all black because I just think it's better to have more coverage, although the gradient looked way better. But finally got that done. So, and don't mind my chippy manicure. It's 2 weeks old. But, oh yes, Dazzle Dry is the polish brand that I'm wearing, and they have 20% off right now. So let's start with something I don't ever carry anymore, my toiletry pouch 19. And let's put some stuff in it because this powder is from Kosas, I don't know. K-O-S-A-S. Oh my goodness. Anyways, it doesn't come with a puff, so I keep it in a little Ziploc bag. Let's put that down in there. And then I have my Blossom hairbrush. And let's put some tissues down in there. And let's put the Bastia in there. I have not used this in ages. I need to start using this again. But anyways, that one is made in France. I was thinking it was Spain for some reason. So fits very, very easily. iPhone 15 Pro. Let's try this back compartment here. Very, very easy in there. And let's see, these are they're the same wallet, but I feel like this one is bigger because I don't know, maybe it's not, but this is the one I'm currently using. Let's put that in this zippered compartment. And the zippered compartment is fabric. That is the only thing I have found so far that is fabric. And then got my key pouch, put that down in there. And let's see what else we can get. I have my Gucci, I think this was called a key pouch. Yes, it was. Put that down in there. I mean, this holds a lot. Yeah. And then sunglasses on the top. Let's close it up. Oh yes, easily everything fits easily. So let's do a slightly different configuration should you own different items, and just to show you, but I really think that this will fit everything, and I will link this down below. But if you don't want to use my link, I don't care whatsoever. I'm not here to make money off of you using my link. I'm just linking it for your convenience. It is on the Coach Outlet website. I purchased it Tuesday. Today I'm filming on Friday. I hope to have the video up on Saturday. And as of Tuesday, it was $140 and available. So it's HADLEY, I'm pretty sure. But you can always just go on Coach and type in suede and shearling bag too. So I've got my toiletry pouch, and this is what I usually would be using, and of course my keys and wallet. Let's do the wallet in that zippered part again. And I have my Louis Vuitton pencil pouch, which is a pretty big piece. Put that down in there. That fits easily. And then I keep wanting to put this in there, but I have my other wallet, and so tissues, the phone. Oh, and I forgot, I have this over here. I don't really chew gum anymore. I'm now into mints, sugar-free mints. Put that down in there, and sunglasses. So let's tip this forward. You can see all of that. And again, no problem. It is not overstuffed at all. Oh, I really am happy with this. And the only other thing I have, let's take out the Louis Vuitton pencil pouch, and let's take out the toiletry pouch and a mini pochette. That's what it's called. To put in the Gucci, I think this is the medium cosmetic pouch. Put that down in there. And of course, if the toiletry 19 fits, obviously that's going to fit. And then the sunglasses. So yeah, it's really, really roomy. And I did try it on with my things in it, and it is not heavy at all. It is a keeper. I'm very, very excited by this. Don't make fun of my outfit. I know my clothes are way too big. I have not gone shopping. I need to go shopping. My kids laugh at me when I wear these jeans. They're like, Mom, they're just gonna fall down in the middle of the mall. But I didn't get them that long ago. So anyways, I do need to go shopping. But okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I mean, I'm serious. Less than a pair of pants at Lululemon. That's crazy. I was so not going to buy stuff from there. I was like absolutely adamantly against going in there. And my family all made me go. They're like, just go. Just get good stuff. Just go. And it's very nice, but this is what makes me happy, not leggings. But I did wear a full Lululemon head-to-toe outfit to the gym yesterday. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, and it's leather lined, and it'll show up better when it shows up better when I show you what fits. It fits so much. I really think I prefer this as a shoulder bag. I really do, versus crossbody. and I've just really been into shoulder bags lately, and I have had some of you request me to do a shoulder bag comparison video, so that will be coming probably in my next video. But I hope you have an amazing day today. I hope to talk to you again very soon, and maybe I will have something springy to show you. I don't know. In my last video I said, I was at Purse Piece, it had to be really special or something, that I really have been wanting to add something in. And I have been wanting a suede bag for years, and to get one with tax it was like $150 something, and I will put in right now how much I saved versus buying the Gucci one. It's a lot. It's a lot of money, and for how often that I will be wearing this, and because I don't think I'll wear it. The other issue here is not just that I feel like our winters are not that long, but we get a lot of rain and weather and all of that good stuff. But yeah, it's going to be a while. I'm going to be very excited this fall, but you know what? The way life is going, it's going to be fall. It's just like, I can't believe it's almost April, it's almost Easter. The year is going by so fast. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.